just got back from the post office and this came in. So let's find out what's inside. As you can see, it's called Lily Drip. And, you know, this is something that I heard about from friends that were talking about it and wanted to check it out. So what is this Lily Drip? The Lily Drip is an add-on brewing device that will fit most any conical brewers. And a conical brewer being something like the Hario V60. That's a real popular conical brewer that a lot of people like to use. So that's pretty much what I've seen most people use it, although pretty much any conical shaped brewer will work. Or so I'm told. Oh, there it is, Lily Drip. But according to the manufacturer, the Lily Drip helps keep the depth of grounds around the sweet zone, allowing a wider range of water temperatures and grind sizes. Grind. All right, let's get it out. So pretty simple, you know, good box. And then here is. So inside here there are 4 sizes. Well, overall there are 4 sizes of Lily Drip. There's the original Lily, there is the donut, there is a star flower, and the last one is called diamond. So Lily, diamond, donut, star flower. And each of those have different sizes and flow rates. This is the filter, right? This is the little Lily Drip right here. Because you're raising the level of the ground. So normally the grounds sit in the conical brewer like this, right? So it sits at the bottom and concentrates. The idea is that by lifting it here to a higher level, it keeps the extraction more even, plus the mass of the Lily Drip in the center. After you preheated it, it keeps the temperature more stable. And all of this is supposed to lead to better extraction of the coffee. It's supposed to help make extraction faster. Now, I don't really know if that makes any sense because, you know, when you've got the right grind, the right quantity of coffee, the right grind setting, and the right water temperature, pretty much extraction without any kind of pressurization takes X amount of time. You know, we're looking at 3.5 to 4 minutes typically. So I don't really know if it's going to help speed the extraction. That sounds a little bit, you know, off, but we're gonna find it. But let's look inside and see what we got. Let's open up here. That's nice. So inside, this, oh, by the way, so there are 4 sizes, right? And they range anywhere between $5.99 to $7.99 for each individual bullet. They're called bullets. They're little diamond-shaped bullets. And basically, you can buy them separately, or you can buy them as a set. And this is the set. This set is $29.90. And so this gift set comes with Rapid Filter Shaper. And then inside, there's another little cone piece here. And then we have each individual bullet, diamond bullet. All right, so this one, oh, this must be one of the bigger ones. Okay, so this is the Lily Drip. And it doesn't specify which, oh, it does. So here's a little sticker on here shaped like a diamond. The other ones have a flower. I'm guessing that means lily. One that has nothing, or maybe that's the lily and this is the star flower. And then this one has a dot. This is donut. Yeah, the dot means donut. So that's how they're letting you know which is the size. So it's nicely done. It's ceramic, smooth. It's got the name here. It would have been helpful, I think, that if it actually printed symbolism on the actual unit, just so, especially if you have all of them, it's easier to differentiate. I'm not sure why this glass is here. It's just maybe just for a holding container for the Lily Drips. That's probably it. But basically, you're going to use this to mold the paper filter to fit. You can buy all of these individually or get this whole set for $29.90. I believe it's made in China. Yeah, made in China and from the Shenzhen Lily Drip Technology Workshop. You know, so I think it's very reasonably priced for what they are. You know, if we left it to one of these third wave manufacturers here, you know, in third wave land, these would easily cost $25 a piece. So I think it's a fair value. But let's bring things inside where it's a little bit warmer and we can do a little more testing.